Hi, good morning. Today I would like to share with you one of my favorite recipes. When I was deciding what to prepare today, I thought that I would like to do something delicious, but at the same time something that wouldn't worry you about gaining any weight. Because nowadays, weight has become one of the greatest issues and most controversial problems in our society. That's why problems like bulimia and also anorexia have become very important for our teenagers especially. So that's why I decided to prepare this quick, delicious, cheap, and the most important thing of all, low-calorie recipe. Maybe you're thinking that we're going to prepare a salad, but you're totally wrong. Today, we're going to prepare a dessert. We're going to make cinnamon apple muffins. According to the fitnessandfreebies.com, for this recipe, we need the following ingredients. 1.5 cups of cereal with raisins if you want. If you don't like it, just avoid it. It depends on you. 1 cup of flavor, 1/3 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, apple of course, and that's all. So let's start our recipe. Before we start the preparation, we must prepare our ingredients. So first, if you want, you can smash the flakes, because the only reason why we're using them is to make the muffins a little more crunchy. Also, you must preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit degrees. That is almost 210 Celsius degrees. And of course, your apple must be peeled and grated. If you don't know how to do it, please ask an adult to help you. So we are going to start. First, we need to mix the flour, the cereal, the teaspoon of cinnamon. Also, we're going to put now the baking powder. So now we're going to put the baking powder. And finally, we're going to add in these mixtures a little bit of salt. Now we are ready to start mixing all this. The idea is to mix all the ingredients, so then it's going to be easier to add the other ingredients that we have left. So now we're just going to put this aside for a second, and we're going to start in another bowl the second part of the recipe. In this new bowl, we're going to add the milk, the oil, and of course, the honey. Well, you may be asking why we're using oil and why we're using honey. Well, as this is a low-calorie recipe, we must change what we usually use in our recipes in order to decrease the calories. So the oil is going to replace the butter we normally use, and the honey is going to replace the sugar we normally use. So now we have the two mixtures. We're ready to mix them together. The idea of adding the milk, the butter, and the oil is to moist what we did before. So we must add everything. If you see you need a little more milk, or if you want to be or if you want it to taste a little more like sugar, you can add it more honey or what you want. As you can see, the, the mixture starts looking a little more moist. I think I'll just add a little more of milk. Not too much, just a little. Well, now that we have everything almost completely together, we are going to add the apple. All the apple. Now we have to finish this mixing a little more. As you can see, the recipe is really fast and really easy. See? Now we have a complete mixture. Now we are just in the final step. We just need to put our mixture in the muffin cups. But remember, just to fill it 3/4 its full size. Why? Because when it goes to the oven, it would increase thanks to the baking powder. So we must be careful about this. All this recipe is going to let you prepare almost 12 muffins. But just to show you, I'll make 6. Finally, what you should know about this great recipe is that its nutritional facts are really interesting. For example, each muffin would have only 114 calories, 0 grams of cholesterol, 199 milligrams of sodium, and 4 grams of fat. Once you have already put all your mixture in these Pyrex, you should put it in the oven for 25 minutes or until it has this color golden brown. And that's all you have to do for this recipe. I just hope you like it and bon appetit. Thanks.